Everyone, this is Lucy back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to repeat the heading on each and every page if you have inserted a table. So sometimes what happens is that there are a lot of data you need to insert in a table, but due to some settings you are not able to have this heading on the other pages after this. So in order to change that, what you need to do is click on the table heading anywhere, and you will need to go to the table layout tab. Here you will see an option called properties in the table ribbon. Click on that. New dialog box appears. So here what you want to do is click on row, and here you will see the option where you can repeat the header row, which says repeat as header row at the top of each page. Check that and click on OK. Now you will see that the same heading goes every pages at the top after this page, and now you don't need to create the same heading or the header page on every page you go. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.